what's going to happen to Tesla stock and Alibaba stock headed into next week. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about Tesla and Alibaba, which are my top two stocks and why you should keep them on your watch list. Webull, the broker, reached out to us to join their influencer program. After thinking about it for a day or so and getting your guys' thoughts, I decided to take the offer because it's a win-win for both parties, and for you guys as well. You guys get free stocks. I'm going to look more into that. But also, coming into 2021, I've used Webull before, and I think it'd be very interesting to fund a couple hundred, maybe $1,000, $2,000 into the account and try to grow it through the entire year of 2021, a small trading account challenge, and I'll keep you guys always updated. That's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Leave a like on the video, and without further ado, let's get right into it. This is Thinkorswim platform. For some reason, I'm still not able to log into my TD Ameritrade, the actual account on my MacBook. This is the paper trading version. It lets me log into the paper trading version. I'm trading from a PC, by the way. So if you're wondering how I'm able to make the trades, we did trade Tesla and Alibaba today. Very, very small positions. I haven't had a small day like this in 3 weeks or so. But Alibaba is one that we're going to cover right now. And these are the notes that I'm going to be watching, or like the quick facts. That'd be amazing if we were up 225,000 on Tesla, but this is just paper. As for Tesla, one little pattern that I've noticed is look at these days where it rallied, pulled back, and then it had another spike. 2 days where it pulled back, and then it had another 2 days where it rallied, and then followed by another 2 days where it pulled back. And yesterday and today marks 2 days where we push up. One thing that I kind of figured or kind of scared me was as soon as it started coming down here under that EMA. Oh, this is the 1 hour. On the 4 hour as well, we started coming down under the EMA. I was a buyer at 630, at 620, at 600s. I was aggressively buying the dips on Tesla, but I started watching my position after I sold for a loss. We had 60 shares at 616 average this day here. I dropped to 614. Of course, easy in hindsight, I would have held. I would have been up a pretty decent amount, but I cut my loss. Today, we also, as well as yesterday, we sold too early. We sold into, we sold into the spike right around 648. I bought in the morning dip, and of course it rallied again, pushing to the highs of a pretty odd number. It was 66609, and I'm going to be watching again if it dips down to that previous support level we've been talking about in the 630s, and if it dips even further down to the 620s, that's where I'm probably going to be a little bit more aggressive. And worst case scenario, which I doubt it'll happen, we dip down to 600 to retest that support level, I'll go in aggressive as well. But as for a rally up to the 700 next week, I'd wait for it to pull back first. That's what I'm trying to get to the point. I'll wait for it to pull back. Hopefully, it holds the 650s. If it holds the 650s, I'm going to be extremely bullish on Tesla headed into the new year. So that's Tesla. Let's pull up the little notes. Also, Alibaba got hit with an antitrust probe from China. I think, in my opinion, it's way oversold. The fact that it was hitting the $220 mark, it even gapped down pre-market. We bought like 5 shares. I was about to open this, but that's not the real broker. We were pulling down. I kept adding, and we just took a small L. I said if it comes down to a new low before the market closes, I'm gonna buy. But we had this bounce to 211. Someone called it in our free chat, which is the first thing down below, that was gonna be the low of the day, and it definitely was. After it spiked up to 224. But I think if it comes down even further and we test the lows to 210, watch the whole number of 200. 200 is probably, again, where I probably start playing a little bit more aggressive. All I'd expect is a bounce. So the reason I'd want to swing Alibaba is because I think it's oversold. It's panic, and these next couple of days where we take the days off from the stock market, it gives investors and traders time to just settle, let those emotions go away, and think about it. And I think we could see a rally back to 240. So where initially started gapping down, 240s, that'll even just a push to 230s above EMA is gonna be a win if you bought down here at 211, or even lower than under EMA. It's still going to be a win, but let's see if it can at least push and have the momentum to push to 240s. Also, the House failed to increase stimulus checks over the week. Yesterday at night, I got that notification of $2,000 increase from $600. So watch any potential news or guidance, little clues over the weekend that are most likely 100% going to have an effect on the market. So that's pretty much it. Short day today. There wasn't a lot of momentum, I guess you can say, today, and I didn't really want to play too aggressive. So small day today, nonetheless, still green. With that being said, guys, if you guys found this video helpful, of any value, leave a like, join our free chat room down below, Discord. Leave a comment with what you're trading, your thoughts on the overall market, and how we plan to trade next week. So yeah, with that being said, thank you guys. Hopefully you guys have a good Christmas, and I'll see you guys next week for another trading video. Take care.